What is good, everybody on YouTube? As you can see, we picking up these Gamma Blue 11s today. We also got a few more errands that we got to take care of, so we're gonna take y'all along with us. So let's go ahead and go. I also forgot to mention that I'm gonna be exchanging the Chicago Jordan 1 lows because I'm about to get them from Foot Locker because I got a $50 off certificate, and I'd rather have them for $100 than $150, especially when they're going for under retail. So we're gonna make that play happen as well. All right. Like I said earlier, I was trying to do an exchange. Can't do an exchange on that shoe. Side note, the fact that it's hot in December, but a week or two away from Christmas, ridiculous. But one, they ain't let us use the status, $20 off. Y'all let me know in the comment section if your store did, because I just think it's funny how, like, through all the vlogs that I posted this year, like, if I wanted to use $20 off on any release, it's fine. But let the Christmas Jordans come out, and it's, yeah, they don't let you. But in the same instance, if you have pre-order access from JD Sports and you can like get it delivered to your house, they let you use the $20 off. So I'd be like, it is what it is. It's like, I'm not pressed over $20, but it's just the principle that sucks. Like, because if that's the one shoe that somebody saved up their points to take $20 off for, and then they get to the store and they can't use it, that's kind of trash. But we picked up the shoes. We going straight back to the house, or are we doing our other errands first?
I'm gonna run to...
Still got a few more stops we gotta make before we actually get to the house, settle in, and, you know, talk about this release. So y'all stay tuned. Let's go.
Pants, holiday printed, yummy pajamas.
Yeah, so next weekend we got a holiday party and it's pajamas required, so I'm grabbing pajamas. We got to get white elephant gifts. Yeah. You know, Christmas is coming up, so hopefully y'all are doing y'all festive activities and, you know, grabbing gifts for others and making sure that it's the giving season. It's not about receiving, it's about giving, all right? So that's what we're doing now, so we just going to take y'all with us, all right?
Oh, that's cute, like a little snack box. I would not be upset with that. Okay, we got one. Thank you.
Alright, y'all, so we back at the house, man. All the errands is done, man. It's been one crazy hectic day, but ultimately we got that package. All right, so obviously we got two pairs. One pair is for my wife's coworker, and then the other pair is for me. So one and two. This box is kind of beat up. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know why, like, the 10.5 box be looking fine. I'm gonna use this one for B-roll because the box looks really good. There isn't anything wrong with it, but then you come to my pair that I'm keeping and you have like this big old dent at the bottom, at the top. It's honestly ridiculous, but nonetheless, it is what it is. All right, so from the box tag, Air Jordan 11 Retro Black, Gamma Blue Black, all right. JD Sports, they be putting these stickers on here talking about like check by, and I'm gonna peel that off, all right? But box, let's get into it. You have the Jumpman at the top, plain black box. You do have the 23 on the side here. You have a little ring with a hint of that Gamma Blue there. And then that's pretty much the box. Nike. When these last released, these were $185. You can do it for other shoes. You can do it for LeBrons. You can do it for Kobe's. I wore the Breads today. We don't even get this no more. Like, we paying $235. Like, I understand it's a mass produced shoe, but we can't even get the insoles, the inserts no more. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, we had the pull out, we had the plastic sleeve. It is what it is. Look, I can't complain too much. I wasn't able to get these when these first came out. What was it, 2013, boy, 2013, I think I was a sophomore in high school, bro. But I was not able to get these. So overall, I'm very appreciative. I did hit on sneakers. I showed you guys that earlier on the way to the mall. Thinking about just going ahead and just posting these, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. Outside of the whole box thing, y'all let me know in the comment section. Do y'all feel the same way I do, man? I feel like we began skimped out on the boxes, especially from last year when we had the Columbia 11s. It was a basic Jordan box. I've already showed y'all that comparison. If you want to check that out, you can, but like, come on. Like the boxes don't cost nothing. And like the shoes be costing $20 to make, come on. We paying $230. But anyways, let's get inside the shoe. We're gonna pop the top off. We do have that checker print, somewhat checker print, or the carbon fiber paper. And then we have the Gamma Blue 11s. Oh, nah, I ain't gonna hold you. In person, this is a hit. In person, these are a hit. I almost forgot how sought after this Jordan 11 colorway was from back in the day, honestly. Like it was kind of crazy back then, but that was a different time. You know, social media wasn't what it is today. So it's just crazy. The hype definitely real. We pulled out the second pair. No longer need the box, man. Promptly fold that, put it away. All right, and bam, we have the Gamma Blue Jordan 11. This time with the high patent leather on there. You still have the Jumpman here on the heel. On the back heel, you have that 23 and that gold. On the outer sole, you have a nice icy outsole with Gamma Blue pods from the top and the bottom. Patent leather. Now, it doesn't age the best. These do not age the best, but I will say, when you first get them, they look fantastic. All right, you have the Jumpman Jordan right here inside of the mesh tongue, no leather tongue. You have the mesh all up in the upper. Around the back heel, you have some type of faux leather of some sort that pretty much makes up the shoe. A bunch of different shades of black going on here, but honestly, it all kind of works out for the best, and it really makes this shoe pop out. Honestly, the gold hits with the blue, with all black. You really can't go wrong with these shoes, man. But more importantly, we do have to get into the release, all right? So it's the same time we hear every single year. Look, we got the Christmas Jordans, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Did y'all actually pick these up? Did you take L's? Y'all let me know what happened. What was your experience in the comment section below, man? Luckily, I'm not gonna lie, I can't complain when it comes to sneakers, man. I'm truly blessed. If you did not hit on these, I hope that you can hit on yours. Especially for this time of the year, you know, everybody should be able to get their pair. They really should have did a shock drop on these. Last year they did. We ain't getting no shock drop on these, that's fine. Look, we have them here today. It is December 13th. The release is here, it's done, and it is in the past now, all right? This release was low-key kind of crazy, like on Sneakers app today. Like, even with Travis Scott releases, I'm able to enter in fine. Today I had, my app crashed maybe 3-4 times before I could actually enter in, and it was like 10-15 minutes for them to actually send out the dubs for all the winners on that Sneakers app. It was some things that I ain't seen in a very long time when it came to this release. We had a midnight release at Shoe Palace, which I think is dope. You know, back in the day, you know, we used to camp out for shoes, especially in the northern states of America. It'd be cold. So you be having to bundle up, you got your chair, you got your hand warmers, you know what I'm saying? You know, do whatever you can to stay warm, and, you know, hoping, praying that you came earlier enough in order to be able to get you a pair of shoes. So if anybody had any midnight releases and you was able to get your pair that way, man, y'all let me know, because I be getting blessed by JD Sports, man. You know, so I don't necessarily have to. I might have to do it for the one time for a release the next time I see it, so we can get a video like that here on the channel. Now, next year, we're supposed to be getting Space Jams. We supposed to be getting Space Jam 11s. Look, what was the last time they came out? It was like 2015, 2016? Pretty much 10 years. Look, after the Space Jams, I don't know what they're gonna do. They might have to release the Breads again. That came out in 2019. I don't know. I don't know what Nike's gonna do, y'all. We got the Space Jams coming out. I'm excited about that, but it's also another black. It does have white in it, you know. It does have white in it, but it's a mainly black shoe with a hint of blue. We gonna see, man. Oh yeah. Also, I did have somebody comment on a video on a short that I posted saying that unfortunately they don't take the $20 off, and you probably were right. Y'all let me know in the comment section if you got your pair from JD Sports that they let you use the $20 off. Because if so, I'm gonna be low-key kind of salty. Because I know for a fact for the status pre-order, because they have status pre-order for in-store and they have status pre-order for online for it to get shipped to your house. When you have that status pre-order and you get to ship it to your house, they ask you if you want to use your certificate. And because I ordered it for somebody, it lets me use my $20 off. So I'm not gonna complain too much. Like I said, I'm just grateful that, you feel me, we at a time period now that I am able to get my hands on these. So hopefully if you did get yours from the sneakers app, hopefully there aren't any thieves that take your pair, because that's also unfortunate. Y'all know the shipping companies be the final boss, because you can hit on Nike, but if your shoe gets lost in transit, they just give you a refund. You don't even get a reshipment because it's a sold out sneaker. But all in all, great day, great release. Hopefully you enjoyed this video as much as I did recording it. Y'all enjoy y'all weekend. Happy holidays if you're watching this a little bit later. That's pretty much it, man. Another year, another Christmas release in the books. And this was a good one. It's been 12 years. It came out 2013. 12 years. People been waiting on these, man. And we got them. But outside of that, it's your boy Moody checking in, checking out. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. I did get some Nardware SBs, so that's gonna be next. And then recap on 2025 in its entirety, all right? So see y'all for them videos. Hopefully if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. If you stayed this long, you know, we already locked in. All right, so go ahead and subscribe for me, hit that like button. Don't just watch and leave, that's rude. Go ahead, hit that like button. Appreciate y'all, man. Stay safe out there, all right? Happy holidays. I'm gone.